Hey everybody, it's Poochie. So we have gotten a lot of reaction to our video saying, yeah, we're now doing Walmart automation, as well as Amazon automation, eBay automation, Shopify automation, Etsy automation, Facebook Marketplace automation, Mercari automation, and also Poshmark automation. Let me catch my breath. Okay, so we've gotten a lot, mostly people talking about Walmart, because a lot of people are interested in doing Walmart now. So let me show you how to request to sell on Walmart Marketplace. All you have to do is Google Walmart Marketplace. Okay. The one thing is you're going to have to be a business because Walmart does not want like individuals selling like eBay and Amazon, you can sell as an individual, but Walmart, they want you to be an actual business. So if you go to Google Walmart Marketplace, okay, you click on the link and you will come up on this page that tells you all the great reasons why you want to sell on Walmart, okay? So you'd think it would be easy to get approved, but some people say it's not that easy. So let's go through how to request to sell. We're going to do this in a couple different parts. Okay. Due to impact of COVID-19, select assortment, personal care, protective equipment, masks, gloves, wipes will go through additional vetting and may be restricted at any time. So my suggestion is just stay away from these categories at the very beginning, okay? Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 15 to 20 minutes. No, 10 to 15 minutes, but actually it's probably going to be around 15 to 20 minutes unless you're speedy. You want to use Google Chrome, they say, on a laptop or tablet. I do it on my desktop, so we should be good. You need the following information. Remember I said they don't want you to be a just person selling on their marketplace, so they're not going to take Social Security. Okay, they will take a business tax ID, which is your EIN, employee identification number, W-9 or W-8, an EIN verification letter from the Department of the Treasury. You have to have that actual letter. If you don't have an EIN, you need to start a business. What you need to do is just Google how to get an EIN or apply for an EIN, and you should be able to find a link that will take you to the government website where you can actually do that online. Address or place of physical operations, and U.S. business address. Planned integration method. These can both be the same address, by the way. Your planned integration method for your product catalog, bulk upload, API, solution provider. Just to get your account started, I don't think you really need to be, you can just pick one of the ones they have, the solution providers that they have listed. I don't think you really have to do that. Nobody that I ever have known has had to follow through and actually use that solution provider. It helps with the application, I think. Primary product categories, category size, related information. Example, total SKUs you will be selling on Walmart initially with verified UPC information and used versus refurbished, etc. I would not do refurbished to start with. I'd just stay away from it. I'd stay away from it forever, but especially in the application. So when you're filling this out, they want your first name and your last name, okay? Your email address. What you want to do is not use a Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. You want to use an actual website address. So it would be like sales@pooch.com, okay? That is an actual business website address. Your job title, legal company name, DBA, and these can both be the same if like you're selling as, you know, pooch.com and your DBA is pooch.com, and you're legally pooch.com, then that's good. Your U.S. tax ID number, so they call it the TIN, but it's actually the EIN number. The DUNS number, you aren't required to give this, it's optional. And to be honest, I would just, I've heard different things. I've heard some people say that it helps. I've heard some people say it doesn't matter. So whichever, you can get a DUNS number easily by just Googling how to get one. Preferred tax classification, that's going to be up to you, your accountant, whatever. Country of incorporation, and then you're going to have to upload the files. Okay, so they want your W-8 or W-9 form and the EIN printout from the government website. They'll either, when you do it online, they'll either mail you the EIN paper saying congratulations, here's your EIN or whatever it says, and then or they'll let you print it out online. I print it out online because it's just easier and faster. Phone number, company website, they do require a website, so you're going to want to put one in here. I've heard from some people that you want to have a catalog with a lot of items on your website. I've heard from some people that you don't even want to have products on your website. It's up to you how you want to do that. Your address, are you transporting goods from another company? That they want to know if you're fulfilling orders, like if you have things coming from China and you're going to ship them from China, they want to know that. I would say do not do that. Don't like AliExpress onto Walmart to start with. Just definitely say no. Do you sell items in these categories? Okay. Select all that apply, leave blank if none. Software, fragrances, luxury brands, cell phones, and accessories. So what's going to happen is they're asking you for these specific items because they're going to go through your application with a fine-tooth comb more if you sell software, fragrances, luxury brands, or cell phones and accessories. So definitely to get started, leave blank. You're not going to sell any of this. Promise Walmart, no, I won't do it. Okay, so I'm going to fill this out with some information, and then we're going to proceed on to the next step, which is product and integration, because we're going to go through the whole application together. Okay, we're back. Filled out page 1, and now page 2. If you hear something in the background, it's my dog snoring. We like to keep it professional around here. Average online revenue. Okay, so your average, this would be, don't like embellish. Like if you make, $100,000 online, say you make $100,000 online. If you make 500,000 online, this is gross sales, say 500,000. If you make, 1 million, say 1 million. So for this, let's just, you can just say whatever you want. Select your, let's say, 985,000. Let's just say that. It's under a million. It's over 750,000. Okay. Let's see, 985,000. What is your highest performing category based on revenue? Okay, so what I would suggest is you get a safe category like home. Okay. Kitchen, garden, home. Okay. Amazon seller name. A lot of people put this in. Some people don't put this in. I've actually heard both ways, that you create more things for them to check into and nitpick on when you put in an Amazon seller name. And I've also heard that when you don't put that in, it's not good because then you don't have as much of a selling history. But I'm going to say don't put it in, especially if you have any sort of negative feedback on your Amazon account. I'm just going to say don't put it in. For catalog size, let's make it easy. Let's put like 200. Well, how are you going to do 985,000 with 200 items? Let's say 500 items. What percentage are refurbished? None. What percentage of SKUs do you not have valid UPC codes? You're going to want to have valid UPC codes on everything. What percentage of SKUs are used? Okay. So you're going to say 0 on that. here, let's just say we're going to use a solution provider, okay, and they say you can do all these integrations. So let's go down here and say we're going to use, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but let's say we're going to use Cellbrite. That's a very well-known one, so we're going to say that. We have everything up here. See, Amazon seller name and URL are not required, so we're just not going to put them in. Next, okay. Does your business have offices or warehouses outside the USA? I suggest putting no, just to, that might complicate things. We don't want to do that. Select your state of incorporation. You can say whatever state you incorporated in. Let's say Alaska. No, let's say contiguous 48. Alabama. Year of foundation. 2018. Because, I mean, that's an older date, and I incorporate companies every year. So, can you fulfill orders by 2 p.m. Monday through Friday? Absolutely. Current shipping methods, click all that apply. So if you're going to send your own items, you can click whatever you want. If you're going to do UPS, FedEx, USPS, I would just click those three. I wouldn't click FBA or anything else. Just say those three. Your warehouse location, your warehouse address, you're going to want to add, if it's your home address, put that. It's not going to matter. Why would you be a good fit for Walmart Marketplace? Okay, so hold on just a second. I'm going to pause this, and then I'm going to come back with some more information. Okay guys, so I have actually typed in here, as you can see, why would I be a good seller for Walmart Marketplace? Why would you be a good fit for Walmart Marketplace? Okay, so same thing basically. Criteria Walmart looks for while inviting a seller: competitive pricing for the products, excellent customer support, better product assortment, reliable and fast fulfillment. Okay, so we're going to go back to the application, and we're going to say, because we're going to spell it right too, our company specializes in not only quality products at competitive prices, but also top level customer service and support. Okay, and then you can go over here again, better product assortment, reliable and fast fulfillment. We also take pride in our years of fulfilling customer orders quickly and without problems. Okay, so that's basically it. Hold on a second, I'm going to fill in this, and then we're going to go to the next page. Okay guys, basically that was it. All you have to do now is enter your address, your warehouse location. That can be your office location or wherever. I don't see that it matters. I've never seen it make a difference. But and then submit the application. It should take 2 weeks. you should get an email right away confirming that they received the application. Could take 2 weeks. It could take also longer, up to 4 weeks, I've been told. It just depends on how easily they can go through your application. Remember, if you do get turned down for one company, you can always do multiple Walmart applications. I haven't seen anything against that, but yeah, sometimes I guess you just have to kind of, if you do one and you get denied, it's try again. We do, in our automation services, offer to set up the accounts, but for Walmart, it's a little more expensive than, say, for eBay or Shopify, because you actually have to put together an entire website. So once you have been approved to sell on Walmart, right? We're at the Walmart site right now. And let me show you what it looks like when you get approved. So we search for pen, right? There's all sorts of pens. And then we go to this pen, okay? And the seller on it is Walmart, selling it for $1.57. But then you have 8 other sellers selling it. So the thing is, if Walmart runs out of it, you don't want to really target items that are, $2. But if Walmart runs out of it, then suddenly this person is on the item. So this person, whoever Walmart chooses to be on it, either lowest price or best seller, whoever, will be suddenly up here, and it'll say like $2.54 and sold and shipped by PNWB Office Products. So it's pretty much, that's how simple it is. That is how simple it is. It's funny because there's a lot of items, you can tell there's a lot of items being actually drop shipped from Amazon onto Walmart, because you can just see a lot of private label items that some of my private label items, as a matter of fact, are for our accounts are being drop shipped on Walmart, which is cool. So anyway, this is how you do it. And if you have any questions, you can just post them below, or you can join the Facebook group, which is Poochie's Pack, Poocies Pack, or you can visit the website realpoochie.com. Yes, realpoochie.com, or contact me at cindy@realpoochie.com or poochiespack@gmail.com. So I hope this helped. I haven't done a video in a while because COVID has been pretty crazy. We've had a lot of automation accounts on Amazon we're doing, and also our own accounts that we run. And we have been training an army of virtual assistants, of VAs and employees to help us with it. So if you're interested in automation, go ahead and go to realpoochie.com. We'll be offering more services in the future, but this will help you figure out how to sign up for an Amazon Marketplace account on your own if you want to do stuff on your own. That's the entrepreneurial spirit, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and have a good one.